Namaste and welcome to today's yoga session. Today, we are using the principles of yoga to help boost metabolism and increase the digestive abilities of your body, hence burning fat faster. But before we begin, let's give ourselves a boost of confidence. Repeat the affirmation, I have come this far to never give up. And let's begin. Sit in a comfortable cross-legged position. Close your eyes and bring your hands in Namaste Mudra. Keep your spine straight. Roll back your shoulders. And inhale. Exhale. And inhale. And exhale. Expand your rib cage and lungs. And exhale. Contract your stomach as you empty your lungs out. Now gently open your eyes. And sit with your knees bent and hips resting on your heels. As you inhale, gently lift your hips off your heels and come straight up. Raise your arms up. And as you exhale, gently bend forward and bring your hands down under your shoulders. Arch your back outward and chin tucked towards your chest. Inhale, gently arch your back inwards. Looking up at the sky, now push your hips back to heels, arms extended forward. And exhale. Inhale again, hands up in the air. And bring them back to the ground. Arch your back outward, then inwards. Look up in the sky. Push your hips towards your heels and arms extended forward. Come back to normal. Inhale again, lift your hips off your heels, arms up. Exhale, bend forward, bring your hands down. Back is arched out and chin tucked towards your chest. Arch inwards, looking up. Hips back on your heels, arms extended forward. Once again. Inhale, hips up, arms up. Exhale, bend forward, back is arched out. Now arch inwards. Looking up. Hips back on your heels, arms extended forward. Now, gently release your legs. Come towards the shorter edge of the mat. Extend your leg forward. And as you inhale, gently lie down on your back with your arms extending behind your head. Now as you exhale, bend forward, bringing your chest as close to your thighs and go back down. Remember to lift up gently. Once again, inhale and lift up. Touch your feet and exhale and go down. Once again, inhale, lift up, touch your feet, exhale. Once again, extending your entire spine, lift up, touch your feet and go down. One last time. Inhale, lift up, stretch your spine and go down. Great job! Now slowly make your way up to sitting with the legs wide open. As you inhale, lift your arms up by your sides. Exhale, bring your left hand to your right leg, twist your torso looking backwards and stretch. Now bring your right hand to your left leg as you twist your torso. Look backwards. Exhale, left hand to right leg. Inhale, center. Exhale, right to left leg. Inhale, center. Exhale, left hand to right. Inhale, center. And down. This was the end of your warm-up. Now stand up on the shorter edge of the mat to begin the flow. Stand with your spine straight, with your feet together, palms together, raising your hands upward. Exhale, twist to the right and bend forward, stretching your arms away from you while touching the mat. Bend your knees, bring your palms together in front of your chest. Hook your left elbow to your right thigh and then look up at the sky. Great! Now as you inhale, come out of the twist, place your palms in front of you and step back into a plank. Exhale, lower your body onto your arms into Chaturanga Dandasana. As you inhale, hips down, chin up. Bring your hips slowly up to the sky into Adho Mukha Svanasana. Push your heels towards your mat. And now, gently lower your knees on towards the mat. Stretch your toes out. Push your hips towards your heel in Balasana, while your arms are extended forward. Inhale, rise up. Hips on your heel, raise your hands up. Bring them back into Namaste in front of your chest. Exhale, twist your right while hooking your left elbow to right thigh again and stretch. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, place your left hand on your right knee and twist. Place your right hand behind you, looking back. Great. And inhale, lift back up on your knees. Bring your right leg forward, placing your right foot on mat. Exhale, place your left arm on your right thigh and your right arm on your side as you twist and look back. Inhale, place your left arm down close to your right foot and bend your left knee, grabbing your left foot with your right arm. Wonderful! And now, gently as you inhale, bring your hand back on the floor and leave the position to come on all fours. Great job! Inhale, stretch your right leg out towards the side with your knee straight and extend your right arm up towards the sky. Exhale, bring your right arm, take it through the gap of your left arm and left thigh. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, twist and down. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, twist and down. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, twist and down. One last time. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, twist and down. Inhale, place your hand back on the mat. As you exhale, come on all fours. Raise your hips up in Adho Mukha Svanasana. And as you exhale, grab your left ankle with your right hand. Inhale, bring the hand back on the mat as you lift your right leg up towards the sky. Exhale, put the right leg towards your left. Inhale, bring your right leg down and place it between your palms while stretching your arms up. Exhale, twist to the right as you place your right arm on left thigh and your left arm extends over your head, pointing behind you. Exhale, put your palms on the mat. Put your right leg behind, stepping back into a plank. Lower your body into Chaturanga. Inhale. Stretch forward and lift up. Look up. Raise your hips towards the sky into Adho Mukha Svanasana. And gently come on all your fours, pushing your hips back to your heels with arms extending forward. Inhale, rise up, arms up. Exhale, twist to your left with your palms together, hooking your right elbow on your left thigh. Inhale, come back up. And exhale, place your right hand on your left knee and your left hand backward as you twist to the left. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, left leg forward, place your right hand on your left knee, twist to the left and left hand resting on your waist. Inhale, exhale, place your right hand next to the left foot on the floor, bend your right knee, hold the right ankle with your left hand and breathe. Now, come back on all fours and inhale, stretch your left leg to your side, keeping your knee straight, extending your left arm upwards towards the sky. Exhale as you bring your left arm down through the gap between right arm and right thigh. Stretch the arm. Shoulder on the ground. Once again, inhale, rise up. Exhale, twist down. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, twist down. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, twist down. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, twist down and come back to normal on all fours. Now inhale, come on all fours. Exhale, place your hips to the sky. Really feel the stretch here. Hold your right ankle with your left hand and twist. Make sure your heels are pushed down. Inhale again, lift your left leg towards the sky. Exhale and bend the knee, lower the leg to the right side. Feel the stretch on the spine. Inhale and slowly bring the leg between the palms as you lift your hands up. Exhale, twist to the left as you bend back to grab your right thigh with your left hand and your right hand extended over and behind your head. Inhale, step back into Dandasana. Hip down, chin up, chest up into Urdhva Mukh. Raise your hips to the sky into Adho Mukh Asana. Now walk your legs forward at edge of the mat. Raise your hands, bend your knees. Bring your palms together into Namaste. Hook your right elbow in your left knee and turn further to look up at the sky. Now straighten the knee, still in bent position. Exhale, arms forward towards the left. Try to bring them as low as possible. Now exhale, bring your spine and arms up and slowly lower them by your side. Great job! Now, sit down on your mat, facing the shorter edge of your mat with your legs extending forward. Slowly take your legs apart, opening as wide as comfortable. Here, we start the Chakki Chalasana. Bring your hands together, interlock your fingers with your arms extending in front of you. Take a long deep breath. Inhale, and as you exhale, bend forward to your right. Move from your right side to your left side. Inhale, come back center. Exhale, bend forward to your right. Move to your left, come back center. Once again, exhale, bend right to left. Come back center. Two more. Bend right, go to the left, center. Last one. Bend, move to the left and switch sides. Exhale, bend to your left, move from left to right, back center. Once again, bend to left, right, back center. Two more. Bend to the left, go to the right, center. Last one. Move to the left, move to the right and you're done. Now we'll do a spinal twist. Bring your legs together in front of you. Bend your right knee. Your left leg is on the mat and your left heel is close to your right hip. Your right leg is placed near your left knee. Place your left elbow on your right thigh and the right hand resting behind you, twisting towards right. This is the beautiful sitting twist for your spine. Now slowly inhale, leave the pose and come back to center. Exhale and left arm down. Bend the left knee, place the right leg onto the floor and your left leg placed close towards your right knee. Now, bend the elbow, hook it on your thigh and have the left hand resting behind. Twist to the left and hold. Slowly release the pose and sit with the legs extending forward. Now, bend your right knee and cross your left leg over the right leg such that you're sitting in a cross-leg position. Pull your heels closer to your hips as much as possible. Now, slowly bend towards your left with your right on your hip and look up. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly leave the pose and extend your legs forward once again. Now, take your left leg under your right hip, cross your right leg over your left, bend towards your right with your left hand on your waist and look up. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job! Gently come out of the pose. Extend your legs forward again and lie down on your stomach on the mat. Place your palms under your shoulders, forehead resting on the mat, toes stretched out, and as you inhale, lift your chest up, arching your back inwards, looking up at the sky, and hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now exhale and gently lower your body back on the mat, coming down completely. Palms in the same position. Now slightly take your legs apart as you point your toes inward. Inhale, lift up again. It's time to stick to your right, looking at your right foot. Hold here for 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, come down. Once again, inhale and up again, twisting to your left, looking at your left foot. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, come down. Now bring your feet together, lower your hands closer to your chest. As you inhale, lift up again and look to your right. Place your right hand on your right thigh and hold. 3, 2, 1. Exhale, come down. Inhale and up. Twist to your left, left hand on thigh, hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale and down. That was fantastic. And now we move on to cool down. Lie down on your back with your arms resting by your side. And as you exhale, gently bend your knees and bring them close as you wrap your arms around your shins. This is the Pavan Muktasana. Touch your forehead to your knees and hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale and release your arms, lowering them, extending them to the sides, but your legs still stay up. As you exhale, gently lower both legs to the right. Inhale and lift up to the center. Exhale, lower to the left. Inhale and back to the center. Exhale, go to the right. Inhale, come back to the center. Now, finally, stretch your leg out on the mat, and it's time for the cool down. Bend your left knee and place your left foot on the outer side of the right thigh. And as you exhale, bend to the right, bringing your left knee as close to the ground as possible. Use your right hand to bring your knee further down. Inhale, back to the center. Switch legs. Gently as you exhale, lower the right knee towards the left side, using the left hand to bring the knee down. Great! Now as you inhale, come back to the center. Now stretch your legs out and rest for a couple of breaths. And slowly turn towards your right to sit up for pranayam practice. Today we are practicing Nadi Shodhan, the alternate nostril breathing. The index and middle finger touch the base of the palm, which is the Vishnu Mudra, and the left index finger touches the thumb. Now, first exhale completely, blocking your right nostril with your right thumb. Inhale through your left, close both nostrils, and exhale through your right. Inhale through your right, and exhale through your left. Inhale from your left, and exhale from your right. Inhale from the right, and exhale from the left. Inhale from the left, exhale from the right. Inhale from your right, exhale from your left. Inhale from the left, exhale from the right. Inhale from your right, exhale from your left. Inhale from your left, exhale from the right. And last time, inhale from your right, exhale from your left. Now gently release your hand and place it back on your knee. Feel the gentle balance with this practice to your body and mind. Now it's time for the final relaxation. Now lie down on your mat into Shavasana. with your feet slightly apart, arms away from your body, toes falling to your sides, palms facing the sky, and your chin tucked towards your chest. Gently relax each and every part of your body as you allow the awareness to flow upwards through the toes all the way to the top of your head. Be completely aware as you go through this process of relaxation and rest here for few minutes. Remember to mindfully experience the positive effects of the yoga practice today with the affirmation, I have come this far to never give up.